Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today, I want to walk you through a 2022 Harris pontoon that we just got into stock. This is the Harris 250 Grand Mariner, so 25-foot Grand Mariner. This has the black metallic, so it has some nice shimmer to it. And then we have the platinum silver accent that goes along with it. This does come with the what they call the P3 package, Performance Plus 3, and really good for rough water. It's got the extra nose cone on the front, and then we also added the nice black tower. And you can see there's lighting up there. There's lighting underneath here as well. You can do a bunch of different colors on it. Right now, obviously, it's just the blue. Like I said, 250 Grand Mariner. We come to the back. We got the extended swim platform, so the platform comes all the way to the back. We got the ski tow bar, and then we did the Mercury 350 horsepower Verado. So plenty of power to do everything you like, skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, whatever you'd like to do. So also want to point out we have the underwater lights on this particular pontoon. So let's go on the interior and take a look at the layout and some of the other options. All right, welcome to the interior. This particular layout, we have what they call the SLDH, so a single lounger with dual Helm seats. This does have the nice pillow top, so very plush, feels very soft. We'll kind of take a look at the back here. Like I said, it's an SL layout, had the extended swim platform, and they added the safety chains. So as long as the safety chains are here, you're allowed to sit back here while the pontoon is in motion. When you're just sitting, you can just pop that off and lock it right in there. So you got storage underneath the seat. This actually pulls forward and back, so when you're ready to sit forward, you can do that. You've got the nice seating all the way around, some storage underneath there. Like I said, the nice dual Helm seats. Armrests that pop up. The backrest goes forward and back. It does spin as well. It's in the lock position. And then we come to the helm. This does have a raised helm, so this seat's actually obviously a little bit higher, but this one moves, it goes forward and back. With the 350, you do get the DTS, or digital throttle they call it, so nice and smooth operation. You've got the nice gauges in here. This is where you can turn on all your lights and different options on the pontoon as well. We did do the Go 5 SIMRAD, so you've got all sorts of information in here for whatever lake you might be on. We got the JL audio system, so that's the nice JL. You got nice speakers all the way through. You got a subwoofer. You can kind of see some of the speakers maybe back in there. They have the lights on them, so when you turn on the lights, they're all on in the speakers and in the cup holders as well. Point out on the side, we did do an option with some extra interior just to kind of give it a nice look. So this is some nice extra here. It kind of keeps the noise vibration down as well. So you've got storage underneath the helm. You've got storage in the floor. And then when we come to the front, again, nice and plush. You got storage underneath all these seats here. You got cup holders. You've got armrests that fold down with a cup holder inside there as well. So 25 Grand Mariner here in Rogers. Give us a call, come take a look at it. It is the only pontoon we currently have in stock, so don't wait, it's not going to last long, and give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on by. Thank you.